Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. News today with Elon Musk's covert strategy for $2.39 Shiba Inus because the blockchain network is so active on social media. The primary developer, Shiba Inu, has hinted about turning into a Jedi. The trajectory of the sector can be inferred from a quick glance at specific areas of Twitter and other applications. When it comes to Shiba Inus, this is especially true. Who anyone forget the early 2021 period when it gained notoriety as a result of Elon Musk's widely shared tweets about it? But one of its leaders, Satoshi Kusama, has set tongues wagging with his most recent online activities. Last month, Kusama unveiled a new Shiba Inu defense breed. He recently revised his Twitter bio. We will discuss Elon Musk's secret strategy for the $2.39 Shiba Inu Shib news today in this video. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The Shiba Inu community is aware that Kusama uses her Twitter bio to share information and reveal new developments. He is very close to becoming according to his new bio, several observant members have noted. There are various angles you can take on this. Sith is an antique word that has been used since Old English and also has the secondary definition of peace, according to the dictionary. However, it is most commonly known to us as the name of the main antagonistic faction in the Star Wars film series, which is infamous for its relentless and violent quest of dominance. This can be viewed in a variety of ways. The most likely explanation is that Kusama aims to increase its attention on the project's quest for dominance in light of the changes occurring in the ecosystem. And considering its difficulties, this strategy might not be bad. Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor Marcy Jastro assured yesterday's Discord commenters that the project is still moving along nicely, and the release of that fresh information is imminent. Shib the Metaverse is one of the most eagerly awaited projects on Shibarium and will help to raise the price of Shib. On the Shiba Inu Metaverse, a tiny bit of Shib is burned with each transaction that a user conducts. If the futuristic Metaverse is used by millions of Shib army troops, the micro quantities could build up and significantly reduce the supply of Shib. Shib the Metaverse is therefore receiving a lot of attention, despite the fact that not much is still known about it. Next week, though, things might be different. In a letter to the Shiba Inu community, Jastro promised to respond to all inquiries regarding the Metaverse the next week. She will also share fresh information regarding the South by Southwest Festival's events and the dimensions of the plots in Shiba Inu's virtual land. So let me start by apologizing. I hardly ever use Discord. We will be sharing some commentary on all of the queries you're posing in the upcoming week. Jastro noted her hectic schedule as the Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor, writing about the true plot sizes, what transpired at SXW, the input we learned, etc. Jastro also expressed regret for not posting updates on the Metaverse development to the Discord group. She reportedly concentrated on email and Telegram. She made it clear that she couldn't be in 5 locations at once, and suggested that the best way to stay in touch was through Telegram and email. Unfortunately, I can't be in all 5 places at once. As a result, I've always said and will continue to say that you can contact me by email or Telegram. In an attempt to make amends, she promised to share new design ideas and additional information on the Shiba Inu Metaverse the next week. We're about to release some fresh design ideas. Just to get a sense of the general mood, I thought it was crucial to start watching these stations. Although I can't guarantee I'll be here every day, I believe you will start to notice some serious work on everything Shib in the coming week. A Metaverse Shiba Inu is well known for being one of the most well-liked cryptocurrencies in the world, with investors closely monitoring the token's price changes. In its Q1 report, CoinMarketCap, a well-known cryptocurrency aggregator platform, presented additional statistics to back up this assertion. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on CMC's platform, according to the company. Investors from every continent are closely monitoring the price changes of the 15th largest cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu is a well-liked cryptocurrency throughout several continents, including Oceania, South and North America, Africa, Asia, and Europe, according to the statistics. The most popular cryptocurrency asset with a canine theme has over 12.5% views across people in many continents, including Africa, Asia, North America, Oceania, and South America. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is less well-liked in Europe, where its popularity rating is only 11 points, 56% views. In contrast, Shiba Inu is well-liked in North America, where the asset class received 20.39% of views. The most closely monitored cryptocurrency globally according to investors on the continent is Bitcoin. In South America, where the leading asset class received 36.98% views, Bitcoin had the lowest rating. It's interesting to note that more CMC users have Shiba Inus on their watch lists nowadays. Shiba Inu is currently on the watch lists of more over 1.84 million coin market cap users, according to data from CMC. Investors can use this tool to monitor changes in the value of the Ascent virtual currency. Only 1,809,792 CMC users had the Shiba Inu on their watch list as per December's report. Currently, it has increased to 1,847,081. Even if the price of Shiba Inu has decreased by less than 86.82% from its all-time high of $0.8616, the breed still has a thriving community. Shiba Inu ranking among the most followed crypto assets on the coin market won't surprise many aficionados. Recent coverage on the Shiba Inu has been favorable, particularly in light of its recent increase in network activity. Regarding the total number of daily active addresses communicating on the network, the A9-themed currency broke its previous record yesterday. Nearly 36,000 addresses were active each day on Shiba Inu. In a related development, since becoming live last month, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network, Shibarium, has gained broad adoption. On the testnet, more than 200,000 wallets and more than 1 million transactions had been recorded as of March 31st. The asset's recent price increase is mostly due to the sharp increase in Shiba Inu's network activity. Shiba Inu is currently trading for $0.1137, up 6% over the last day. The Shiba Inu could burn 111 trillion Shib annually with the aid of Shibaswap, Shibarium, and virtual land renames, according to a fictitious burn computation. This ambitious annual burn level might be met, according to the pseudonymous Shib proponent, with help from Shibarium, Shibaswap, and Metaverse land renames. The calculation was done with a Shib value of $0.00:27. The supposition that Shibaswap may burn up to 1% of its transactional volume was also taken into account in the hypothetical calculation. The Shibaswap 20 upgrade, which has been teased as a comprehensive device with many necessary functions, is anticipated by the community. Its volume should increase as a result of this and draw further acceptance. If Shibaswap generates $10 billion in volume each month, that translates to 370 billion trillion Shibs. At the price of $27.0. 3.7 trillion Shib is 1% of the monthly volume of 370 trillion Shib. Each year, 44.4 trillion Shiba Inu will be burned. If burned once a month, a volume increase of 2 would be 88 trillion Shib burned annually. The L2 network for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shibarium, continues to be one of the most well-known projects in the neighborhood. By burning 70% of its base transaction fees, the network is anticipated to quicken token burns. A $5 billion trade volume for Shibarium outside of the Shibaswap was taken into account throughout the calculation. This would equate to 185 trillion Shib per month. An estimated 1% burn of the on-chain data for Shibarium would result in a yearly burn of 22.2 trillion Shib and a monthly burn of 1.85 trillion Shib. Each section's calculations add up to 111 trillion, which is entirely speculative and largely dependent on the adoption rate. Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter, replaced the bluebird-based emblem with a picture of a Shiba Inu dog on Monday. Shiba Inu and Deutsche Coin both saw price increases as a result of this. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.